Guys, we're gonna do some baked brie wrapped up in some puff pastry with a little prosciutto inside. Coming up. Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. I've been wanting to do this one for a little while. I know in this year we're not doing a lot of holiday parties, we're not doing a lot of entertaining, but you know, you might have a person here and there over, you know, you might need to throw out a little quick appetizer, and this is one for you that is gonna be quick, easy, full of flavor, so much taste, and that is just a baked brie wrapped in puff pastry. I'm gonna put some prosciutto down, put the brie right on top of the brie wheel, right on top of it, roll up that pastry, wash it and get it in the foodie grill. We're gonna bake it according to the box directions on that puff pastry, but that's it. It's nothing too terribly complicated. It's gonna be an awesome appetizer, you know, to put out for, you know, the family that you are, that one at your house for Christmas or whatever, you know, or just, you know, we got a football game on right now, we're gonna eat that with it. All right, so we got some crackers to go along with it. It's gonna be good to go. All right, come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get going. This is what we got here. We have just some puff pastry from the grocery store. It's folded in threes. We're gonna roll it out, get those seams a little tighter together, but we're just gonna bake it to the instructions on there. So it's gonna cook, or we're gonna bake it at 400 for about 10-15 minutes till golden brown. We let this one defrost already. That's a frozen one. We let this defrost already. We have our wheel of brie right here. We got our prosciutto. We're gonna lay out the prosciutto in a round pattern. And that's it. We got an egg wash already beaten up right here. No big deal. Okay. Once it's all wrapped up, we're gonna put it on a piece of parchment paper, set it in there. It'll be a lot easier to remove using this. All right. So let's get started. Put all our stuff aside, put our knife aside, brush aside. All right, we're gonna gently fold this out. Take the paper out of the way. All right. All right. We're just gonna use a rolling pin just to kind of flatten it out. You know, get the seams a little bit pushed together. I'm not using any flour or anything like that. We're not going crazy with the rolling pin. And guys, I am not a baker. All right, so no comments in the chat about my rolling pin skills. One thing I know about rolling pins is when Mrs. CJ decides to whack me upside the head with one. All right, so take it easy in the comments. So we'll just eyeball it a little bit. That brie should be pretty good. All right, so we got our prosciutto. This is the good stuff right here. It does not have to be perfect. Perfection is unattainable. Right, we're just gonna do a couple few little layers on here. And I've seen a bunch of people use like apricot jam or you know, some kind of nuts, dried cranberries, whatever. I wanted this to be a little bit more of a hearty kind of appetizer, but again, you can build it how you like. The principles are all the same. This is real thin meat right here. Thin sliced. Okay, let's put that one there. All right, we're almost done setting this up. So let's go ahead and get this preheated. We're gonna do bake. We're gonna get that temp up. 400 time. It's at 15 minutes already. Let's keep it at that, but we'll check it at like 5, 10. We're making sure we're not burning or anything like that, okay? All right, hit start. All right, let's get this brie out of here. Really important to take off the plastic covering. The brie is still cold. Okay, so we'll put that right there. I'm gonna do a little trimming on the outside of this, kind of round it off a little bit. All right, now we're just gonna fold it up on it. All right. You wanna pinch it on the top up here so it doesn't leak out. All right, flip it over, get it on that parchment paper, do a little shapey shape. All right, since we still have some time, we're gonna try to figure out a little decoration. I got some fancy cookie cutters here. I don't really have any like leaves, so I'm gonna put that on top. Do that. Okay, last one. All right, it's ready to go. I don't know what kind of decoration I'm going for here, but looks good to me. Take our egg wash. And we're gonna just brush this all over. And this egg wash is just gonna add a bit of sheen, make it look nice and golden brown. Just all about presentation. We're not using any of the pans or anything. We're just using the stock pan that goes in there. We got, using that parchment paper makes it a lot easier to put in. Push that down, shut it down. And like I said, we're gonna check it every 5 minutes. First 5 minutes is up. Obviously you got an air fryer here, so that parchment's gonna fly up. It just is what it is. But it'll be a lot easier to remove out of there. But we're getting some good color on there. It's really nice. Another 5 minutes and we'll check it again. Okay, next 5 minutes is up. We are almost there. We'll keep an eye. Yeah, let's get in there. We'll keep an eye on it. I'm thinking we should be good in another 3 to 5 minutes, but the color is looking excellent. All right, guys, we are all done. Look at that gorgeousness. I don't know about my extra added pattern, but it looks good. All right, so we're gonna pull this out carefully, put it on the cutting board. I know you're gonna want to cut into this. Don't do it. Let this thing rest a little bit. Get some time, chill out a little bit, all right? If you cut in this right now, molten lava everywhere, okay? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this rest 20 minutes, all right? And in that 20 minutes, it'll give me plenty of time to make it pretty for the thumbnail. But come on back, we'll cut into this bad boy. All right, guys, we let it rest. Let's move these crackers out of the way. We made it pretty for the thumbnail. I don't know what I'm trying to do with all these pomegranates, but let's just cut into it. Oh, yeah, baby. There it is. There's your money shot. All right, we'll get this on a cracker. All right, get that on the cracker, get this out of the way. All right, let's get ready to try this. Look at that. I demonstrated why you let it rest, all right? Obviously, all that stuff came flying out, but it's dang worth it. I couldn't wait any longer. All right, let's take a bite. Oh, yeah, babe. I'm telling you guys, that is money in the bank right there. Get that prosciutto on there. A lot of salt, a lot of smooth creaminess in there. Right. I mean, it's good stuff right there. All right, guys, that's it for this week. You want to get yourself one of these cutting boards, the Ninja Foodi Grill, the knives all down below. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button down below. All right, some behind the scenes perks. It's good stuff, all right? Listen, I hope you guys have a happy, wonderful, prosperous, all them good adjectives for saying happy holidays and a great new year, all right? Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.